This is for Year 11 methods, and it explains how to complete number 8 out of exercise 1.9, finding the equation parallel to a line and passing through a particular point. I'll demonstrate how you would work it out by hand, and then also how you would use the class pad to solve the problem. Okay, so this is our equation, 2x plus 5y minus 3 equals 0, and it passes through the point 2, negative 3. The process is really a three-step process. Find the gradient of the line that you were given, find the gradient of the new line, and then use your known information about the gradient and the point to find the equation of that particular line. Okay, if I have 2y equals minus 5x plus 3, that is, move the 5x to the right hand side and the 3 to the right hand side. Divide by 2 gives me y equals minus 5 on 2x plus 3 on 2, which means the gradient is minus 5 on 2. Since we want the equation that is parallel to this line, my new line has the same gradient, which is minus 5 on 2. So then I have two options. I could use the equation y equals mx plus c, replace m with minus 5 on 2, then substitute in the point 2, negative 3, and that works out to be y equals minus 5x divided by 2 plus 2. Or I could use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 and substitute in the gradient and the same 2 points all in the one go. I end up with the same answer. Now, the question might be, do you want the equations expressed in gradient y-intercept form, that is y equals mx plus c, or do you want it in general form, in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0? Our last answer, y equals minus 5x divided by 2 plus 2, could be turned into the general form by, since this was divided by 2, the lowest common denominator of 2 turns this 2 into 4. I then multiply both sides by 2, so I have 2y equals minus 5x plus 4. And then I can move everything to the left hand side. So the general form would be 5x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0, which is identically the same as this. Now, how would this question look if I was doing it using a calculator? Okay, so over in main, bring up a keyboard, 2y plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. If I select it, interactive, advanced, solve for y. So that's my equation, therefore my gradient is minus 5 on 2, the same as what I found out by hand. I now know that y minus y1, which is negative 3, equals m, which is minus 5 over 2, bracket x minus 2, close bracket. So that's just substituting the gradient, my y1 and my x1, and I could rearrange this interactive, advanced, solve for y, and there it is. If I was wanted to put this into the general form, what I need to do is get rid of the 2, so multiply everything by 2. That gives me this. I might take that answer and expand out the bracket, interactive, transform, expand. Take that answer and plus 5x to both sides. Take that answer and minus 4 from both sides. And there's the same answer in standard form.